Students, welcome to Srigandhi Maths Academy. SJ Srigandhi is here. In this video, we are going to learn one type of example of matrices. Okay, let me see what is the question. If A equal to matrix containing entries 1, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 3 and B equal to matrix having entries minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, then show that matrix AB is non-singular. Here question is that given there are two matrices A and B and we have to show that matrix AB is non-singular. To show matrix AB is non-singular, we show that the determinant of matrix AB is not equal to 0. Why? Because if determinant of matrix AB is equal to 0, then AB is singular matrix, and when determinant of matrix AB is not equal to 0, then we say that matrix AB is non-singular. Therefore, we see how to solve this matrices. Okay, therefore solution, first we write down the given part. Given, what is given? Matrix A and matrix B are given. Therefore first we write these two matrices. Given A is equal to matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 3 of order 2 by 3, and B equal to matrix, and B is equal to matrix containing entries minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2 of order 3 by 2. Now here we have to show that matrix AB is non-singular. Okay, therefore first we have to find matrix AB from these two matrices A and B. Okay, therefore let me first find matrix AB and then we find the determinant of matrix AB. Okay, therefore first we find the matrix AB. Therefore AB is equal to matrix plus 1, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 3 into matrix minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. Okay, therefore AB is equal to, now here matrix A has order 2 by 3 and matrix B has order 3 by 2. Therefore matrix AB has order 2 by 2. Matrix AB has order 2 by 2. That means we multiply 2 rows by 2 columns. That is first row into first column, then first row into second column. Next second row into first column, then second row into second column. Therefore let's see how to multiply. Therefore AB is equal to first row into first column, that is 1 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 0. Therefore we write here 1 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 0. Okay, now first row into second column, 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Therefore here we write 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Okay, now second row into first column, therefore 0 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. 0 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Now second row into second column, 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. Therefore 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Now this is equal to what we see here. Therefore AB is equal to matrix 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 2 into 0 is 0. Second, 1 into 1 equal to 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 plus 2 into 2 equal to 4. Next, 0 into minus 2 is 0 plus minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 3 into 0 equal to 0. Next 0 into 1 is 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1 plus 3 into 2 equal to 6. Therefore this is equal to matrix minus 2 plus minus 3 plus 0, 0 minus 3 plus 0 because plus minus is minus. Next 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Next 1 plus 6 equal to 7 is equal to minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, 6 minus 3 7. Now here we get the matrix AB is equal to matrix having entries minus 5, 6, minus 3 and 7. Now we find the determinant of matrix AB to check either it is singular or non-singular. Okay, therefore determinant of matrix AB, that is mod AB, is equal to mod minus 5, 6, minus 3, 7. This is equal to cross multiply minus 5 into 7 minus 3 into 6. Therefore minus 5 into 7 minus 3 into 6 is equal to minus 5 into 7 is minus 35 minus 3 into 6 equal to 18 is equal to minus 35 minus into minus 18 is plus 18 and minus 35 plus 18 equal to minus 17. Therefore we get mod AB is equal to minus 17. Okay, but here we get, but we write, but mod AB is equal to minus 17 not equal to 0. Therefore that is mod AB is not equal to 0. Therefore AB is non-singular. AB is non-singular. Therefore AB is non-singular. This is how to show that if AB two matrices are given, then matrix AB is non-singular. First find the matrix AB, that is first find the product of matrix AB and then take its determinant and then find the value of determinant. If value of determinant is equal to 0, then matrix is singular, and if AB is not equal to 0, okay, then AB is non-singular matrix. This is all about the example.